Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Most of the time, you'll use your key fob for quick and easy access. Simply press the unlock button once to open the driver's door. If you need to open both doors and the trunk, just press the unlock button a second time. It's a straightforward process, making entry into your high-performance vehicle effortless and convenient. Sometimes, your key fob might not be working, perhaps due to a dead battery. Don't worry, your Corvette ZR1 has a manual backup. First, slide the small release button on your key fob to reveal the hidden mechanical key. Then, insert this key into the keyhole located on the driver's side door handle. Give it a gentle turn clockwise, and you'll hear the door unlock, granting you access. What if your car's battery is completely dead? You can still get in using the mechanical key as we just discussed. Once inside, you'll need to open the hood to either jump-start the car or access the battery. Look for the hood release lever, typically found in the driver's side footwell near the kick panel. Pull it firmly, and the hood will pop open, allowing you to address the power issue. Your Corvette ZR1 also features convenient passive entry. As long as your key fob is within a few feet, you can simply touch the door handle, and the car will unlock automatically. For the trunk, you have a couple of options. You can press the dedicated trunk release button on your key fob, or once inside, use the interior trunk release button, usually found on the driver's side. These features make accessing your vehicle and its storage effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.